Y'all had to make a little intro to the other video that I did about throwing out the breakfast burritos and cooking them, and the breakfast French toast. I didn't want to add it to my other Sunday dinner video, so this is gonna be a little short clip for y'all. Hey y'all, this your girl Tiana. I can only be me. I almost forgot how I go. This your girl Tiana. I can only be me, y'all. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for supporting me and watching my videos and commenting down below. And even though I don't get to you at the time, I do get to you at some time or another. And I also want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. And I want to thank y'all for even subscribing to my channel, because it's just a blessing to wake up and see that I have gained more and more subscribers every day. Even if it's just one, but it's soon. So I thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. All right, y'all. This now y'all gonna see the little portion of the little video that I made. I just wanted to show y'all, because I'm fixing some breakfast while I cook my dinner, so I just wanted to show y'all how you warm up these little breakfast bowls that I made. Y'all saw the video. And this one right here is the French toast with the ham. And so what I do is I just take a paper towel and put it across it. And then I just take my little microwave thing and I lay it on top of that. They help hold the paper towel down with the steam. Close up the microwave, and I do it in increments of 1 or 2 minutes at a time. So I put it on 2 minutes at a time. And you just do it slowly to thaw it out and heat it up, instead of doing it 5 and 10 minutes at a time. Just do 5 and 4 minutes at a time, or whatever. Or just do it 1 or 2 minutes at a time. That way you make sure that you don't have it rubbery and tough and overheated. And that's all you do. You just take it out and you serve it. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, it's warmed up and everything. So, see? It's soft. It's not mushy. I mean, it's not tough or anything like that. So, just get your butter and put it on them. I'm going to let her spread it around like she wants to, but just get the butter and put it on here. Ooh. On the French toast. And then get you some syrup. Get you some syrup and just put it on them. Like that. And that is your breakfast French toast. So I'll be back and show y'all how I do the breakfast burrito. Okay, y'all. So this is how I do my burritos. They rolled up in the foil. So I just unwrap them. You can do it in a parchment paper. You can roll them up in a parchment paper, or you can roll them up in napkins, to paper towels or whatever, to warm them up. I like it better in the parchment paper because sometimes if you don't keep a watch on it, the little paper towel will kind of stick to them. So if you use the paper towel, just watch it. So I just take the burrito and I roll it up in a piece of parchment paper and warm it up like that. Probably I do it a minute at a time with these because they heat up really, really fast. So it probably take only about 2 minutes. But these is from frozen. So if you take them out the night before and throw them out, it's only going to take about a minute to heat these up for the cheese to get melted on the inside. So just take it and put it in the microwave. Put it in the microwave. And I just put my little thing on top to help with the steam. And let them go. Y'all, let me tell you. I tried those burritos for the first time with some salsa. Woo! Let me tell you something. The whole time I've been eating them burritos, I was saying to myself, I was like, they taste like they missing something. I tried it. I put a little jelly on it. It didn't It was alright, but it wasn't enough for me. And so I tried it with that doggone salsa, honey. Salsa, salsa, however you say it. I tried it with that. Oh my God. I was in heaven. It was so good. Like, that's all it was missing was like some kind of sauce or something. That's all. I tried it with syrup. I didn't care for it with the syrup. It's the salsa. That's what it was missing. So, I'm going to let that finish up. And then I'm going to let y'all see what they look like. You know, we can't be starving while the dinner is cooking, so I gotta. Okay, it's not ready yet. So I'm gonna put it back in there for another. I'm putting it in there for about a minute and a half. I think that's what it's gonna take. And that's completely from frozen out the deep freezer. Did I give you your part? I'm gonna let Grandma tell y'all how it tastes. Tell them how they taste.
They taste good.
Do it taste like it came out the freezer?
Yeah.
It do? You can tell it came out the freezer?
No.
What? Do it or don't it? You gotta let the folks know what it tastes like.
Well, what is gonna eat?
Remember the French toast we made and I stuck them in the freezer? When I made up all them trays?
Yeah.
So tell them what you think about it.
Oh, it tastes good. They don't even taste like no fresh toast.
No, they don't. What it taste like?
I don't know.
Grandma don't know. Grandma don't know, y'all. I just want to come in here and let her tell you how the ham tastes.
Oh, I ain't taste the ham.
You ain't taste the ham? So yeah, I just made her a cup of coffee to go with it. Y'all, never mind those bananas right there. I'll make it some banana bread to go with those bananas. So the riper, the better. So they ugly, but they sweet, okay? But anyway, yeah. So I just want y'all to, want her to tell y'all what those things taste. Alright, y'all, this is my burritos. Messing with y'all, and I'm trying to show y'all grandma stuff. I don't warm mine up too long. So anyway, look, it's coming apart and everything. We'll stick it to the paper. I don't know what I'm gonna do with y'all. So anyway, we get me some salsa and put it on here. And I'm gonna try it for you. But see, it's soft. Some of it is a little hard because it was in there too long. I should have just put on another minute instead of a minute and a half. So I'm gonna try it for you on camera. Yeah. The salsa and this, It's what's happening. Oh, forgot to say. Forgot to say my prayer. So yeah. Y'all see they saw. And they good. No, it's good to me.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good. It's soft though, y'all see that?
Soft. You don't know how to cook a burrito.
Well, I saw this in your book.
You see what J. Cole
said? Y'all look at the bowl now. You still sitting here at the table. What you just said?
what?
About your food.
I didn't know what I was eating, but I tell y'all one thing, he's good.
No, I'm talking about what you just said. Well, Lord.
I thank you for this food.
And what else you said?
And thank the one who cooked it.
You said, well, Lord, thank you for that. It was delicious.
Yeah, I said, well, it was delicious. If I didn't know what I was eating, it was delicious.
I want y'all to see. Look, my husband was in the background trying to talk about me, and she didn't know what she was eating, but she ate it, y'all. And I
Sure
ate
did.
mine. It was good.